from tasting to digesting. In this unit, we have completed the proper meaning of tasting and digesting, and yes, we have learned different stories which are related to the tasting and digesting process. First story that we have completed, that was of Jhumpa and Jhulan about the taste of the foods. Then we have started the story of Neetu, who has to take the glucose drip. उसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, if our body is not supporting and our body is not keeping a food and water in our body, at that time the glucose drip will help us to get the energy without even eating. Okay, and then third story we have done with a stomach with a window. इसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, that was the story of Martin and Dr. Beaumont. Dr. Beaumont has done so many experiments in the stomach of the soldier Martin. Okay, from that we have learned the process of digesting, the stages of digesting, how the food is get digested, all the things we have completed. Now let's start with the new topic. How do you feel when you are hungry? Now just I want to ask to you first of all, how do you feel when you are hungry? जब आपको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, so what you are doing? What happens to your body and what happens to your nature whenever you are getting hungry? जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है and you are not getting the food, so what will happen? First of all, what sentence we are using? मम्मा खाना दे दो, पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं. It means we are too much hungry to eat something. इसका मतलब क्या है कि हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा भूखे हैं कि हमको जल्दी से कोई खाने के लिए दे दे. We are sometimes we are telling that मुझे इतनी सारी भूख लगी है, I can eat an elephant also. मैं तो elephant को भी खा जाऊँगा, इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे भूख लगी है. Like that we are talking when we are hungry. But there are some reasons and there are some points that we are doing as a different person. Like कोई person बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है, someone is feeling very angry when he is hungry, and someone is start crying. कोई ना कोई ऐसा होता है, कोई person जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है and if he or she is not getting food, they start crying. And then some other person starts headache, किसी को headache होने लगता है, someone start stomach ache, किसी को पेट में दर्द होने लगता है, someone feels very weak and dizzy, किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा weak और dizzy लगने लगता है, it means they get fall anywhere. So this type of expressions we are following, and yes, this will be different for the different persons. जैसे जैसे persons होते हैं उसके according, उनकी body के according we are behaving. Suppose my behavior, suppose I will talk for my behavior. If I am hungry, I'll get little bit angry. मैं थोड़ा सा गुस्से भी हो जाऊँगी. Suppose we will talk about the children. If children are hungry, what they will do? They will start crying. वो रोना start कर देंगे कि please give me some food. So like that we are feeling. I feel strange sensations in my stomach. मुझे अपने stomach में कुछ अजीब सा strange यानी weird sensation, it means something weird feeling I am feeling in my stomach. I am unable to focus on anything. मैं किसी भी चीज़ पर फोकस नहीं कर पाता हूँ. If I am hungry, I can't focus in any work. Suppose हम बोलते हैं ना, कई बार हमारे पेरेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं ऐसे सेंटेंसेस, भूखे पेट भजन ना होए. सुना है आपने ये पहेली, ये कहावत कहीं पर, भूखे पेट भजन ना होए. इसका क्या मतलब है? इफ सपोज आई एम हंग्री, अगर मैं भूखी हूँ, इफ आई एम हंग्री, आई कैन फोकस इन एनी वर्क, इवन in the bhajan also. It means if I am going in a temple, if I am attending any bhajan, kirtan, anything, I will not give proper attention in that because I am hungry. My stomach is not satisfied and I want some food to eat. So I can't focus in any work if I am hungry. Okay. Now we will start with the next topic. Okay. The new topic, that is good food, good health. First of all, let's learn the proper meaning of this statement. Then we will go for the next story. Okay, so good food and good health. What is the meaning of good food? Good food, it means that we should eat dal, rice, then junk food also, noodles, Maggi, pasta, XYZ, pizza, burger. Good food according to you. आपको क्या लगता है? What is a good food? According to you, as a children, you feel pizza is very nice, noodles to eat it is very nice. You like only the junk food, but actually the good food is including dal, rice, roti, sabji, each and every kind of vegetables we have to include in our food, each and every kind of fruits also, which will give the proper amount of nutrients to our body. That is the proper definition of good food. And if you will eat the good food, you will get the good health, right? See, if you will eat junk food, burger, pizza, noodles, XYZ, your health will Here I will explain you about the story also, Rashmi and Kailash. Here one difference is there. What is the situation of Rashmi and what is the situation of Kailash? Okay, so good food and good health. If you will eat the good food, your health will be good. Okay, so let's start with the Rashmi. Who is Rashmi and what is the situation of Rashmi? Rashmi is 5 years old, a girl. Rashmi एक 5 years old की girl है, but she is very thin. She looks about 3 years old. वो 5 साल की है, लेकिन जब हम उसको देखते हैं, you can see here in the picture. See the Rashmi's picture. How she is looking? She is very thin. Is she looking like a 5-year-old girl? No, she is just looking like a small 2 or 3 years girl. Why? Because she is very thin. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा thin यानी पतली है. You can see in the picture, she is very thin. She always feels tired. उसे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि she is very tired. वो थकी हुई रहती है. Why? She does not have strength, and she is not having the strength in the body. You can see in the picture. Are you feeling she is having any kind of strength in the body to do any kind of work? No, because she is too thin and she is not getting the proper amount of food. Rashmi is too poor to afford proper meal. Poor का मतलब गरीब है. She is very poor. She can't afford the proper amount of food to eat. That's why she is very thin. That's why in this picture she is looking very thin, tired. She is not having strength in the body. Why? Because Rashmi is not getting the proper amount of food. She is not able to afford the proper amount of meal. जैसे मैंने आपको गुड फूड के बारे में बताया, we have to include all kind of vegetables, fruits, roti, pulses, dal, rice, all things we have to include. But here she is not capable to afford that because she is too poor. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गरीब है और उसके पेरेंट्स के पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं कि they can afford for her a proper meal. Proper meal it means what? A proper good food that our body needs to get the proper strength and energy. So here we have talked about Rashmi. So आपको पता चला कि जैसे कि हम लोग बाहर भी देखते हैं कि जो poor persons होते हैं, suppose in the traffic signal we are meeting or any poor persons whenever we are meeting, at that time their children are very weak. उनके children, उनके बच्चे जो होते हैं, they are very weak. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा weak होते हैं, पतले होते हैं. Why it happens so? Because their body is not getting the proper amount of good food. उनकी body में उतना nutrients वाला खाना नहीं जाता है. That's why they are very weak. They are looking very thin. उनकी body में इतनी strength नहीं होती है. That is the only reason why, because Rashmi is not getting the proper amount of food which is needable, which is necessary for her body. Okay. Now let's talk about the another child. Okay, Kailash. He is 7 years old. Here I'll show you the picture of Kailash also. You can see here the picture of Kailash. Okay. He looks older than his age. He is 7 years old. वो कितने साल का है? 7 years का है. But he is looking older than his age. उसकी एज 7 years की है, बट वो दिखने में आप फोटो ऑब्जर्व करके देख सकते हो. हाउ ही इज लुकिंग? ही इज लुकिंग वेरी फैट. वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा है. ही इज नॉट लुकिंग ऑफ 7 years old. ही इज वेरी फैट. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फैट है. नॉट वेरी एक्टिव. वो अपने काम में कभी भी एक्टिव नहीं रहता है बिकॉज देयर लेग्स आर वेरी fatty and he is not able to stand, he is not able to walk for the more time. So that is the reason only eating junk food. For the heavy body, fat body, the pain in the legs, we don't be having any activity and active in our body. So activeness नहीं होने का क्या कारण होता है? If we are eating only junk food. As I told you कि in good food we can include all kind of vegetables, fruits and all things. But if कैलाश इज ईटिंग ओनली जंक फूड, तो सिर्फ जंक फूड अगर वो खाता है तो हिज बॉडी विल गेट फैट. उसकी बॉडी में सिर्फ फैट क्रिएट होगा. न्यूट्रिएंट्स विल नॉट गेट. हिज बॉडी विल नॉट एब्जॉर्ब द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही इज जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द जंक फूड. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई कैलाश इज वेरी फैट. ही इज नॉट एक्टिव इन एनी वर्क. ही इज नॉट हैविंग द स्ट्रेंथ टू वॉक फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर. लास्ट, कैलाश इज ईटिंग टू मच फूड. ये आप इन दोनों में डिफरेंस देखो. रश्मि इज नॉट गेटिंग अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ मील. उसको तो प्रॉपर खाना भी नहीं मिल पाता है. एंड हियर कैलाश इज ईटिंग टू मच फूड. कैलाश बहुत ही ज़्यादा खाना खाता रहता है. ऑल द टाइम ही इज जस्ट ईटिंग 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 एंड ईटिंग. सो हियर व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस? कैलाश बिलोंग्स टू द रिच फैमिली. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज कंटिन्यूसली focusing on the junk food and the heavy foods इज नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. उसको घर का खाना तो अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर हाउ ही इज लुकिंग इन द पिक्चर, वेरी फैटी. ही डोंट लाइक्स टू ईट दाल राइस एंड सब्जी रोटी ऑफ होम, बट ही वॉन्ट्स टू ईट जस्ट अ junk food. That's why his body is very fat. You can see in the picture, Kailash is eating too much food. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खाना खाता है. Now, हमने इन दोनों के बारे में पढ़ तो लिया, रश्मि and Kailash. What is the difference in that? What I want to tell you with this story is, Rashmi is poor. That's why she is not getting the proper amount of food. And Kailash is rich, but he is not using the money in a proper place. वो अपने पैसों का सही तरीके से उपयोग नहीं कर रहा है. Why? Because he is wasting the money in the junk food only and in the waste things only, which is not good for his body. Here we can say that the good food and good health will be maintained if we will eat the proper amount of each and every vegetables, fruits, and we have to just focus on the homemade things. Now coming to the last part of our lesson, and that is Karnataka district in Odisha, story of Gomti. Now let me tell you first of all, Odisha is a state of our India, and in Odisha, Karnataka is district. In this district, the highest amount of rice production is coming. Here the farmers are giving more focus on the rice production, and they are just doing the cropping and production of the rice. So Karnataka district is the main district for the rice production. Here we will learn one story of Gomti. Gomti is a lady and she is 30 years old. She is working in the field but gets paid very little. वो एक फील्ड में, फार्मर की फील्ड में, एक रिच फार्मर है, उसकी फील्ड में शी इज डूइंग द वर्किंग ऑफ द फार्मिंग, बट शी पेड्स वेरी लिटिल. उसको जो अमाउंट मिलता है, पैसे मिलते हैं, दैट इज वेरी लिटिल, यानी बहुत कम मिलता है. इवन शी कांट बाय इनफ राइस फॉर हर फैमिली. वो अपनी फैमिली के लिए प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ राइस भी परचेज, इनफ यानी जितना उनकी फैमिली को जितने की जरूरत है, नेसेसरी अमाउंट, इनफ इट मीन्स नेसेसरी अमाउंट ऑफ राइस, इवन शी कांट बाय विद दैट लिटिल पेमेंट, बिकॉज उसका जो पेमेंट था, जो पैसे उसको मिलते थे, वॉज वेरी लिटिल, यानी बहुत कम था. हर चिल्ड्रन आर वीक विथ हंगर. उसके जो बच्चे थे, दे वर वेरी वीक विथ द हंगर. इट मीन्स they were getting hungry, they were hungry but they were not getting the proper amount of food. That's why they were very weak. As we told earlier about Rashmi, कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा weak है. Why? Because she is not getting the proper meal. Same thing happened with the Gomti's children. Gomti के जो बच्चे हैं, they are very weak with hunger because they are not getting the proper amount of food. Most rice grows in Kalandi district. As I told you कि सबसे ज़्यादा highest rice grows कहाँ पर होते हैं? In the Kalandi district. Rice gets spoiled in the godowns. Here the situation is Karnataka district में highest rice production होता है, but what the farmers and shopkeepers are doing, they are just keeping their rice big one in the any godown. वो किसी न किसी गोडाउन में राइस को रख देते हैं. They are just keeping the big one bags of rices in the godowns, and then rice gets spoiled in the godowns. क्या होता है, थोड़े टाइम के बाद राइस धीरे धीरे करके स्पॉइल यानी खराब होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो here what happened, उन्होंने राइस किसी को दिए भी नहीं, एंड दे हैव इवन नॉट यूज्ड बाय देमसेल्व्स. उन्होंने खुद तो नहीं यूज़ किए, इवन दे हैव नॉट डन द गुड यूज ऑफ दैट राइस. उल्टा ये हो गई सिचुएशन कि राइस गेट स्पॉइल्ड, यानी वो पूरे के पूरे राइस खराब हो गए. सो हियर मैनी पुअर पीपल डाई ऑफ हंगर इन सच प्लेस. नाउ कैन यू इमेजिन in which place the highest production is of rice, and where the rice are getting spoiled in the godowns just by keeping there only. वहाँ पर राइस पड़े पड़े खराब हो जाते हैं, but no one is giving to the poor people to eat, and because of that many poor people die, यानी काफ़ी सारे लोग मर जाते हैं because of hunger in such places. ऐसी जगहों पर काफ़ी सारे persons की death होती है because of hunger. So here we can say we have learnt a good lesson. If we have the much amount of food with us, we can at least share with the poor persons. We are not telling कि आप अपना पूरा खाना दे दो, but at least we can say we can share some of the amount of the food whatever we have to the poor people, and they can also get the proper amount of food. Here I want to tell you one thing, that proper food is the every child's right. ये आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी टॉपिक है, प्रॉपर फूड इज द एवरी चाइल्ड्स राइट. हर एक बच्चे का राइट है, अधिकार है टू गेट द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ फूड फॉर हिज और हर बॉडी ग्रोथ. उसकी बॉडी को प्रॉपर ग्रोथ करने के लिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, फॉर द एनर्जी, ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड नीड्स अ प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ फूड. बट व्हेन दे विल गेट, when we will share with them. If suppose a poor people, we are finding some poor people in our area, we can at least share some food with them. is the lesson we have learned from this chapter. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter. We have learned so many stories in the chapter. Jhumpa Jhulan story for the tasting, then a stomach window with the Dr. Beaumont and Martin Soldier, then Neetu story for glucose drip, then Rashmi and Kailash story. Lastly, we have completed the Gomti story about the poor people who are not getting the proper amount of food. So I hope all the topics are clear in your mind. Here in this chapter, just one thing that we got is, if whatever we are eating, that amount of food should be proper according to our body. हमारी body को जितने खाने की ज़रूरत है, according to that we should eat, and the digestion process will be going according to the that mouth. Then I told you the small pipe is there, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Likewise, the digestion process will be followed. So now you have to take care, whatever you eat, whatever you are taking in your plate, just take that much only whatever you want to eat. If suppose we are going in a parties or any marriage functions, just we have to take in a plate whatever we want. हमारी जितनी ज़रूरत है according to that we have to eat. We don't have to throw the food in the dustbin, because that food is having too much value for the poor people. Okay, so now we will take care that we will not waste much food. Okay, bye bye all of you. We will continue in the next video with the next chapter. Thank you.